Ap 微积分 Ab 2019年真题简答题第1题。
So first, please pause to have a look at this question. And based on the information of this question, the rate of change of E would be the derivative of E at time t equals to 7. In addition, we know that the expression of function E is shown here. Finally, we are going to use the graphical calculator to solve this equation to have the final result of 6.165. Okay, next one, please pause to have a look at this question first. Since we know that the definition of function E is the rate of cars entering the parking lot, so the numbers of cars would be the integral of function E. And we know that the time is from 0 to 12. Again, we use the graphical calculator to solve this integral to have the final result of 520 cars. Again, please pause to have a look at the question first. Okay, the key information of this question would be the trapezoid sum. And if we look at this, let's say the first trapezoid, we can have a simple graph here to see what's going on. Okay, here in this trapezoid, we have the 15 and the 40 to be upper base and lower base, and the height would be the difference between 2 and 5, which is corresponding to 5 minus 2. So the expression would be half of the sum of these two bases times the height. And for all the remaining 3 trapezoids, they're similar, let's say almost the same. And then we're going to have the result of half of the sum of base, which is corresponding to L5 plus L9 times the height, 9 minus 5. And the next one. And the last one. And based on definition, the sum of these 4 trapezoids would be an approximation of the value of this integral. Another thing we're going to do is we're going to plug in the numbers, okay? Let's say something like this. And by using the calculator, we're going to have the final result to be 345.5. And by the way, the meaning of this integral would be the number of cars that leave the parking lot from time, let's say, t equals to 2 to t equals to 12, which is corresponding to 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Okay, first please pause to have a look at this question. Okay, based on the information from this question, we know that the number of cars entering the parking lot from time of 0 to time of 6 would be like this. And it cost $5 for each car. So in a similar manner, we're going to have the expression of the cost from time of 6 to 12 to be like this. Please remember that for this case, it cost $8. And finally, we're going to use the graphical calculator to solve this integral to have the final result of $3,530.